How to fix Bybit login issues. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are on Bybit and having trouble signing into your account, then here is how you can fix the login issues. The login issues can happen for several reasons such as incorrect credentials, forgotten passwords, security verification problems, or network issues. Follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and regain access. First of all, launch open the Bybit application on your smartphone or visit the Bybit website and go to the login interface of Bybit. In the login page, make sure that you enter the correct email address or phone number and password. If you've previously signed in with Google, Apple, or Telegram option, choose the same so that you can get faster logins. After entering your correct phone number or email, tap the next option and then on the next page, go ahead and write down your correct password. If you don't remember your password, tap on having trouble logging in and follow through the password reset process. If you are using the two-factor authentication, then ensure you are entering the correct verification code before it expires. After recovering your password, you can try logging in with new password. Just type it down correctly in the text box and click on the Login Now button. Once you have the correct credentials, you will be able to sign in and regain access to your Bybit account. The next thing you want to do is to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Go ahead and try switching between the network connections. If you are using the Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. And once you do that, get back to the login interface and try logging in. If the problem still persists, then open up App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone and go to the search bar and type in Bybit. Once you search for the Bybit app, go to this info page of Bybit and check if there is an update button available. If you see the update button, tap on it to update to the latest version of Bybit. If you see the open button, it means you are currently running the latest version. So that's how you easily update your Bybit application. Now tap on the open button after the update is done and try logging in by entering the correct credentials. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're having login issues on Bybit application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.